To take the right decisions, policymakers need to have the right information. This is why what the scientific community is producing is really important. And this is why really it's important to link what scientists are doing, what researchers are doing to policy, to understand what are the goals, also what is needed in terms of policy making.
And in order to do this, we need to start thinking by whom we need to talk to and ensure that we translate our message to not only motivate but also to captivate our listeners. And this is the reason why we organized this workshop. Early career researchers from IAWAC, WSL, ETH Zurich and the University of Zurich are engaging with experts from global, national and cantonal policy institutions to discuss the challenges and opportunities of connecting science with actionable biodiversity policies. We invited experts and partners to work alongside the workshop participants to encourage and motivate these early career researchers to explore how collaboration between science and policy can be further improved.
I think what was most engaging was the really active workshops we had. So in the morning we had these cafes, which were different stations set up with different questions and different speakers who were invited to come and join us. So we were chatting to professionals in their field and also chatting with each other on different questions.
So we cover many aspects of the science policy dialogue so that our participants learn about the nuances of science policy collaboration. And by gathering insights from our peers and the experts in this workshop, they can be much more effective in identifying and engaging with stakeholders at the relevant governance levels.
It's really important to start with contacting practitioners or farmers, for example, at the very beginning, and then design your research after their needs, and not to come up first with some results and then trying to implement them.
During the workshop, participants created their own policy management plan so that they could actually put them to use, increasing the impact of their research on biodiversity policy. And together, we are empowering the future leaders to turn science into actionable solutions for biodiversity.
We need to start to think about what our research will impact in the future, looking at the biodiversity crisis, the water pollution and everything so on. So I hope that in the future I can use what I learned here to make better science and better policy making in the end.